Hi, my name is Gary Chapman. I have a company called Software UK. We specialise in software for small businesses, medium-sized businesses. We mainly sell software for tachograph analysis, freight forwarding, and inventory management. As well as our main website, we have a few other additional websites which we've used over the years. And over the years, we've used different companies to develop them, as well as developing some of them ourselves. As a customer, I've found that the main problem with trying to find a company to build your website is identifying the difference between a good company that can build a good website, a website that's okay, and a website that's very poor. The problem I've found is that you can't always tell by the appearance which is a good website and which is not. The problem is that Google and other search engines might not find that website. The other problem I found is that some companies at the moment are just taking so long, and the time delay is important. And once they've built the initial website, they're not interested in doing any updates or changes. So that presents a problem. But with ACSIUS, I've found that these problems we've resolved, and they've resolved them, and the price is affordable. Their designers create great websites that are modern, user-friendly, and above all, anyone searching for your product or service has a much better chance of finding them. So I can recommend ACSIUS. Thank you very much. Bye.